Dr. Luga, it is quite unfortunate that you were once a leader, a union leader and a doctor, and it is very embarrassing to see only one cadre that you happen to be part of receiving their grievances, they are receiving their gratuity, they are receiving their PNP, which is just served within 3 weeks. But as for us, we are being told to go to the counties under a stipend. Stipend is not a salary for professional who is qualified.
And I want to speak to the UHC staff, because they came here and they are telling me not to transfer the payroll to the counties. I will be the last person with my many years in parliament as a majority leader not to violate. I will not violate the laws that I participated. If you look at the fourth schedule of the Constitution, health is devolved. It's a function of our counties. And function and resources are well documented. Resources follow function. The UHC staff have a contract with the 47 counties. They don't have a contract with the MOH. Their contract is with the 47 counties. And I don't know why somebody somewhere in the previous leadership decided to transfer the function and keep the money at the headquarters. I want to make it categorically very clear to my colleagues, to my friends, the UHC staff. We can talk about other things, but the transfer of the resources, the payroll, is not negotiable.